So piecing together the puzzle of vocals, let's see what we're going to do to the main characters in this story. Let's set up our lead vocal bus with, we'll leave the EQ first, we'll do an 1176 second, and we'll do the vocal plugin, and then we'll do the L1. We'll see if this treatment becomes different. So let's play verse 1, right?
I'm not ever like this. I wanna feel your body next to me. My right from wrong is hazy. My eyes are on you till you turn me down.
Let's just try something a little more aggressive. Let's try the devil lock on the channel itself. So what I'm going to try here is this vocal seems like it's probably cut in someone's bedroom with no compression, no vibe, nothing overdriving, as plain Jane as can be. So let me just see if I can use something a little bit hard just to kind of give it a little analog sound. So this plugin's really aggressive, so I only want to use it as a hot, it's almost like sriracha sauce. It's like a hot sauce, so it's really easy to burn your tongue on it. So let's just hear that same stretch.
I'm not ever like this. I wanna feel your body next to me. My right from wrong is hazy. My eyes are on you till you turn me down. We need to heat it up. Let's blow the roof off of this club.
Let's do the same thing across these vocals. Let's move the devil lock. And then do the same thing across his partners in crime. So what we're doing here is, I mean, really, these vocals need to have the most attitude possible. So I'm almost giving him like a guitar amp treatment by this aggressive compressor. So put all those faders at 0, and let's just see what these guys are doing on those his partners in crime. So let's hear top of the song again.
When we hit the stage, those bright lights turn on and the crowd gets a little louder. I will have you frozen, wrapped and tangled. The place heats up when we grab the mics, the beat drops down and the people move a little faster. I feel myself becoming indestructible. Down. We need to heat it up. Let's blow the roof off of this club. When we hit the stage, those bright lights turn on and the crowd gets a little louder. I will have you frozen, wrapped and tangled. The place heats up when we grab the mic, drops down faster. I feel myself becoming indestructible. You're leading when you run your fingers through your hair. I don't know if I like.
Since I'm going through vocals, I want to be able to get a handle on it easier, right? Can we put the vocal subgroups next to each other like they're the channels in the desk? That's the best spot. What's the easiest spot for you to put them?
Where do you want them to the right of all the vocals or left of all the vocals?
Let's put them to the left of all the vocals. So what I'm doing now is that since you have vocals, subgroup, it's like it's a little staggered. I'm trying to see what the actual inner balance of the record is. So now I can just look at, for me, vocal, double, and then the 2 background settings, right? So play top of the song again.
When we hit the stage, those bright lights turn on and the crowd gets a little louder. I will have you frozen, wrapped and tangled. The place heats up when we grab the mics, the beat drops down and the people move a little faster. I feel myself becoming indestructible. I'm never like this. I wanna feel your body next to me. My right from wrong is hazy. My eyes are on you till you turn me down. We need to heat it up. Let's blow the roof off of this club. When we hit the stage, those bright lights turn on and the crowd gets a little louder. I will have you frozen, wrapped and tangled. The place heats up when we grab the mics, the beat drops down and the people move a little faster. I feel myself becoming indestructible. You're leaving me distracted.
So my question is
The answer a duplicate?
I think so. Is it because that keeps getting louder,
It's
right?
really loud. Yeah, I
It
think
looks
it's
like a
exact-
duplicate, doesn't it?
Sounds like it by the way things are working so far.
Try flipping the phase on it with the plug-in and see if it's. All right.
Have you frozen, wrapped and tangled?
Duplicate. So that's the one they were looking for home for, right?
No, this is ostensibly a double that's actually a duplicate, it looks like.
So what about the one we put into the 19 and 20 bucket?
That's the harmony of that line.
Ah, so got it. So instead of the harmony, instead of the, why don't you replace the duplicate with the harmony in that same output? Got to fish around for duplicates, right?
Bright lights turn on and the crowd gets a little louder. I will have you frozen, wrapped and tangled. The place heats up when we grab the mics, the beat drops down and the people move a little faster. I feel myself becoming indestructible. You're leaving me distracted when you run your fingers through your hair.
So that chorus hook answer, one goes to 17, right? And one goes to 18.
That's what I believe, so I'm confirming.
You could play that same spot again if you want.
Stage, those bright lights turn on and the crowd gets a little louder. I will have you frozen, wrapped and tangled. The place heats up when we grab the mics, the beat drops down and the people move.
Right?
I confirmed that, yep.
So let's give it the same treatment so
Take the harmony treatment to the lead.
you know it. When you open up sessions and start getting inside of it, you see what's working and what's not, and you come across duplicates, so you have to reconfigure once in a while.
The place heats